What's up, everybody? This is Tyler with RVMP here. We're installing this new flex power generator in this Grand Design today, and we just wanted to show you some of the challenges that you face in some of these situations. You can see this is an extremely small generator compartment. The generator barely fits in here. We can't use our traditional mounting techniques, so what we did was we took the side ears off of our cage that we typically would hang a generator from, and instead we're just going to use the bottom pieces of steel that attach to the generator, and we're going to bolt right down into the floor. We put a rubber isolator on between the floor and the generator so we can allow for some vibrations here. We also had to cut out several sections to make sure that the exhaust had room and the oil drain had some room as well. So you really want to plan this out well, make sure you measure it really well, and sometimes you might have to use some of these different mounting techniques to make sure that it fits inside the compartment in your RV. But check out our install manual and check us out at rvmp.co.